welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about this bag which is totally handcrafted and is made up of jute. I know jute bag सुन के हमें बहुत excitement नहीं आती है, but trust me, with this bag, the kind of zip and the kind and the quality it has is very impressive. So without any waste of time, let's just dive into the video. So this bag is from the brand Zouk, and when you get this bag you have their welcome to the family note as well. So basically this bag is whole handcrafted by their artisans. This is totally made in India, so 100% proudly Indians, and this is 100% vegan. So the leather they use is 100% vegan. I have a variety of bags on their website. So this is basically a laptop bag. It has a laptop sleeve option. I can show you right here. So it has a sleeve option for the laptop, and because I have to carry the laptop to the office, so this bag is something which is perfect for me. Also they have a sling bag, like a sling tray option, which is very good in case you don't want to carry just on your hand or on your shoulder. You can switch to the other option.
Coming down to the zip quality, it's absolutely great. It's very smooth and it glides very easily. Also it has the option where you can keep your wallet, and the wallet looks the same, and I really love the texture of both the bags. Also the option that it has to attach the sling is very great. The quality is very amazing, unexpectedly superb. Now I'm going to talk about the space, and you can see in the video I'm going to carry a home in my bag.
Inside the bag. So the inside bag, you can see that they have the option for the laptop sleeve. They have the option for the phone over here. They have the option for the pen as well, and the whole space in the bag is amazing. Even I've kept the sling over here, and they have chupawa zip this side. So like if you want to use it back, if you don't want to use the back side zip, you can use the inside zip for some important documents as well. So like they have the option for both the things. Sometimes if you're carrying a pod, so you can keep that also. They have given both options. What do I do sometimes is I keep my phone in one and keep all the cash on one side, so it's utilized, and I really love the space inside it, and this is how it's sized. So talking about their wallet, you can see it here. This is really good. So if this is my palm, this is the exact size of the bag, so you can see it here. So it includes a zipper here and a zipper here, and the zipper quality is like outstanding. I would not mind giving it 10 out of 10 because zip quality मुझे हर bag की नहीं पसंद आती है, and I'm a person who can sleep with bag, eat with bag, and you know that. So zip quality is very important now. इसकी zip quality बहुत अच्छी है. And talking about the space, you can see it here. They like have a division over here and a coin option as well. And in case if you don't want to keep a coin option on the zipper side, then you can use this option also. This is non-removable. You cannot remove it, but you can keep your coins over here, your cards over here. But the zip quality is outstanding. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you really like the products from the brand Zouk. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't till now. Also turn the bell notification, because otherwise आपको पता ही नहीं लगेगा मैं वीडियो कब put कर रही हूँ कब नहीं. And if you have pressed the notification, it will suddenly tell you that yes, I put a new video. Also, if you're looking to buy one of the products from this brand, I'll leave the link in the description box. You can just click and directly you'll be head to their website and you can buy one for yourself. I think you should give it a try because I really love the zip quality. See, it's so quick, it's so easy, so smooth. I really love their products. It's 100% vegan, made in India, and what else do we need? So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, just take care and stay safe.